Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rasmin and I hope by the title you got to know what we are going to make today. So after watching today's video, you will be able to understand how to take measurements for your own craft bag or pouch, no matter if it's a large or small. So let's get started. Yep, we'll sort that first of all. Suppose we wanna pack this item. I took this from a jewelry store. You can check that on description. Here the length of the item is 7 cm. And I like to make a fold of 4 cm on top and bottom. Also will take around 3 cm extra than the actual. So it's sorted. We need a sheet of 18 cm length. Now the breadth of our item is 7 cm, height around 4 cm, again back 7 cm and height 4 cm, and we'll take little bit of extra around 3 cm or 4 cm. It's sorted now. I need a sheet of 18 cm length and 24 cm breadth. Whatever height of your item was, take that measure and fold at the bottom. Then spread the flaps and make 2 equal folds to form the base. Stick a slice of paper to thicken the base. Match the corners while making straight folds like this. Do this with the other end also. If you want to make this a pouch, then make a fold of 4 cm on top. And you can shape the edges, that's optional. Make the folds more clear with the tips of your finger. Push this middle line inside. Fold the flaps and punch 2 holes. Here our pouch is done. Now if you want to make a paper bag, the measures will remain the same. Just don't fold on top. Then we will need 4 slices of paper of any shape. I made this rope kind by rolling slices of craft paper. Now we'll stick this here. Then put another paper to hold it tight. Lastly, we will stick these holders inside to make a bag. If you have been watching my last couple of videos, then I wanna thank you so much. It means a lot. And please, if you like this video, then do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And please share this channel. Maybe somebody else can learn anything from here. And thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.